Yeah, this is what. No, this one is I think it's like 19 days or something. It's like 6 miles away. YouTube, what's happening? Peace and blessings to everybody, man. As always, before I get started, finally some of these packs are starting to arrive. I know it's COVID-19. I know people get frustrated, my own job, and so on, clients. But it gets a little crazy, even for myself. But I know the COVID-19, the pandemic, I would advise everybody, like with packages, clean them up, spray them, do some sort of things of that nature, which obviously I did off camera to save time. Again, don't get fooled because things are opening up, because I'm thinking they're just gonna hit us harder, and it's all kind of like you guys know what it is. But anyways, you guys are tuned in to SGK 23 TV network, the network, SGK 23 sneaker show, back in the building, at it again. You guys know how I do it. I take a little bit of time off to let some of the videos breathe, you know what I'm saying? And obviously the COVID-19 and pandemic is holding us back from doing things. Certain cities and states, things are open. You can go to the mall, cop, things of that nature. But anyways, as always, like I said, before I get started, P.A.B, man, peace and blessings. Wish you guys, everybody that's tuned in, nothing but the best. And stay up, health is wealth, and all that good stuff. And let's see what one of these boxes that came in, it's about. Because I really don't know. At this point, I'm just confused. It's a lot of just delayed. I was just talking to my mans because we were doing some of the bike stuff. Shout out to everybody that tuned in and subbed in regards to the motorcycle stuff. You guys will be seeing all the mods and all that stuff. But I'll touch up on that when it comes to those videos or that show. Same with the studio and all that stuff. And yeah. What's up with y'all, man? I know a lot of people just been, stressed out with COVID-19. Let's see what this is. Again, I got boxes that are past 60 days. Orders that are past 60 days. Still not here, but I get it. Hold on, we got a receipt. Put that there. Let's see. Okay, Nike, right? Red. Air Max 1s. Let me see. Well, we gonna see. Air Trainer SE High. Okay. Blue Void, Blue Fury 130 box. I'm not even gonna look at the receipt. We're just gonna see what it is. I don't even know what this is. Oh, okay. Finally, they got here. Bo Knows Best 30th anniversary LA Rams. Here they go. Forgot about these. We get both of them out. Oh, wow. I forgot about these. I knew it wasn't Nike because of the box, but I totally forgot about these. Let's do it. What up, though? Detroit. Shout out to my man Lawrence, man. Detroit Kicks in the building, as always. What y'all think? Bo Knows Best 30th anniversary drop. LA Rams OG status. Again, if you guys missed it, there you go. Blue Void, Blue Fury 9.5, 130 box. Limited type of shock drop. And yeah, finally here. Gotta get my Atlanta joints back, but these is pretty fire. They go to outer, huh? And a little dirty though, feel me? White and blue. Let's see. All lights on. You guys can see everything as far as the mid goes. Got little baby blue, got blue, white, air unit, towers in the yellowish. This is kind of shiny, a lot of glue as you can see. This is the toe box. There's the toe cap. That's the wave. Hey, that's the wave. That's the wave. I never do it with that up there. Never did. Yeah, that's the wave. Blam. These is fire. LA Rams 30th anniversary. Bo knows best. Kid friendly. Dope materials on these from what I'm seeing. I don't know what you would call this. Kind of rugged. This blue around here. We have this mesh, like this yellow mesh on both of the straps with like the stitching underneath. Kind of like, again, like that plastic off-white type jump off over it. Obviously blue leather, pretty good quality. Obviously up here the SC, you know, you guys should know. Again, the baby blue toe cap going around. It has like that tumbled kind of print, if you can see. Gator-ish type of feel, but it's leather, not suede, not nubuck. Brown, same leather. Okay. White rope laces on these joints right here. Swoosh on the outer. Let me see again. There's no nubuck. There's no suede. This one is kind of, again, I forgot what shoe I reviewed that had this type of, not this one on this side right here. Like there was like a weird fill-in material. Was it Travis Scott's? I forgot. Not sandpaper-ish, but something like that. So the whole joint is pretty much leather. Like no suede. The tongue up here. The Nike. Very, this is nice. Like real smooth. Not like your average, you know, nylon. But it just feels more like, you know, like that Sean Weatherspoon sock liner type of feel. The Nike right there. Debossed or embossed or poking out, and then obviously mesh when you get down here all the way to the front, perforated. Really nice. I like these. I mean, when I don't order anything that I don't like. Back of the tongue, there you go. OG status, made in Vietnam. Nike Air, blue, blam. Sock liner, let them drop. Guts, let me see. Cotton, blue, yellow footbed. Go to back. This is like a nubuck on the back. The actual Nike right there. This kind of has like a nubuckish, you know, like it sticking out, kind of rough. The leather's pretty awesome. Yellow, again, LA Rams, baby, 30th anniversary. Bo knows best. Baby blue on the tips. No aglets, anything, but, you know, rope white laces. We can, you know, swap anything. Kind of matching like the toe cap around the toe box. Little baby blue. LA Ram colorways, baby. You know, the actual Nike swoosh. My favorite part, I tell you right now, is this yellow type strap. How they did kind of like the off-whitish thing where the baby blue stitching is under it. Like, I can't get to this stitch right here and pull it and, you know, get a needle or something and pull that out. It's underneath like this protective, you know what I'm saying, type of cover. There they go. Bam, Nike on the back. Boom. All leather kicks, man. OG status, really. To be honest with y'all, 30th anniversary, I think they killed it. I like these. 1 out of 10, give these an 8. Inside, same. Yellow footbeds. They should have did the tongue, the Nike on the tongue. They should have hit that up, right? Like baby blue, yellow. I think they stay in original though, like real wavy original. Same as the bottoms. Like the colorways are, you know, sticking to the script. That like brown jump off with the baby blue. I mean, LA Rams 30th anniversary. Bo knows best. You know what I'm saying? Kind of sticking to the script. I like that. I like that when they don't, you know, change things too much from the originals. And on a 30th anniversary drop like this, yeah, I think this is the best way to go versus me putting in my own custom sneaker ideas, my sneaker line and all that creativity I have going on in my head all the time. Pause. I like it. I like the material on the top of the tongue. Then I like that it cuts off, you know, and it's perforated, breathable. Same on the toe box. I like the palettes, the colorway, the silhouette. Yeah. I mean, you guys comment below. Let me know what y'all think. It's taking super long. That's kind of how, you know, you would look down at your kicks. These are pretty ill. Again, laces, we do what we want. So, you know, we're going to put whatever type of laces we want on these. I think the white ones, though, make them pop off the best. Right? Because we got blue. I mean, we could do yellow, something like that. But we got yellow going on. Baby bluish, maybe. Only way to throw these off would be like some vibrant green, some like vachetta brown, moccasin type laces or something like that. I don't think yellow would do nothing. I think the white throws it off the most because really it's just, you know, your outer, your mid, the heel cap, and that's about all the white you have, you know, on these joints. Baby blue, maybe, you know, but I'm kind of feeling them the way they are. Right there. Let me know what y'all think. Bo knows best. Trainer SC Highs 30th anniversary LA Rams. Bringing it back. SGK 23 TV, the network. Peace and blessings to everybody. Unboxing coming. Boxes stacking up a little bit. But we got to get to work and take care of the family before anything. And get rid of all the suckers. You feel me? All that negativity and busters. That's why they don't come around. Let me know what y'all think about these. Took a minute to get here too. There you go. SGK 23. You guys take care. Stay up. Take care of yourself, your family, each other. Peace and blessings. One love. P.A.B. as always.